I can't get over this. Besties, TikTok made me do it. So all I've been seeing on my For You page is sweet potatoes and ground beef. So I'm going to do it, but Mexican style. So first, cut the sweet potatoes in half and be careful. Let me tell you, that is no easy feat. I'm going to rub these with olive oil and then salt them, and then I'll be right back. Preheated the oven to 400, and then on a silicone baking sheet I have spread some butter, and I'm going to mound some Parmesan cheese. Lay each sweet potato face down on top of each mound of cheese, and that's going to give it a caramelized cheese crust as it bakes. Into a 400-degree oven for 1 hour. While those are baking, make your seasoned ground beef taco style however you normally would. That's up to you. While those things are finishing, let's do our quick elote topping. So we have 1 full can of corn, the everything but the elote dip from Trader Joe's, the entire container, lime juice. If you have fresh, in the words of Ina, fresh is best, but that's what we have. Some extra tahini. Measure with your heart. Measure with your abuelita's heart. Hot honey. Yeah. Fresh cilantro. And mix. Just that easy. Forgot one more thing. Feta. Now you can use cotija cheese, that's the traditional, but I actually think the feta has a little bit more flavor. The saltiness of it adds like the punch in that little like in the back of your in the back of your throat. But guys, besties, look at that. It's been 1 hour and this is exactly what we want. Besties, look at this caramelization. It's like syrup, and then you have the crunch from the cheese. Stop it. Let's plate this up. First of all, these look insane. I can't get over it. I'm gonna drizzle with a little bit of honey to begin with, and then we go in with our taco meat. And you can also do this with regular hamburger. So a lot of people are doing it literally just with ground beef, which I think sounds, can't go wrong with that. But again, this is for my teen boys. They're hungry all the time, all the time. Then, here we go. This is what is amazing. So this is all hot and insanely delicious. But then we go in with our cold elote right on top of that. Finish it off with some cilantro, and come on. This is what's for dinner tonight. What are you having for dinner? Guys, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit follow and that you FaceTime me every 5 minutes because we're obviously best friends. I wasn't even gonna make this video tonight, but someone commented, they were like, well, obviously we need a part 2. And listen, besties, when you ask for it, I'm obviously going to give it to you. So, all right, I'm gonna get these boys down here and actually maybe I'll have them do a taste test for you. Wait, I forgot. 1 more drizzle of that hot honey. Oh my gosh, this is insane. This is criminal. The children have come down. They're clearly very impressed. They're like, what is this? Oh my god.
This looks amazing. It looks so good.
I mean, I do what I can in these kitchen streets. Your daddy has a little life in him yet. Hubby came in and he's like, what's going on here? Well, not like that. I made it sound like Opie. He didn't sound like that. How is it?
I'm about to try.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. This